Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube class. In this video, we will see how do we copy one string to another string without using the built-in functions. Now, say for example, if the source string is India and if the destination string is garbage, we want to copy the source string to the destination string. This is how the source is defined, char source of 100, and this is how the destination is defined, char destination of 100. Now we will write one function called as string copy, where the source will be copied to destination character by character. Now why do we copy character by character in C? Why we cannot say destination equal to source? Yes, can you think of this answer? Why we cannot say destination is equal to source? Now what is destination? Destination is one dimensional array. Now what is one dimensional array name gives? It gives the starting address or the base address, and it is a constant pointer. Assume that the starting address is 2000. You are saying 2000 is equal to 1000. Now this is not possible. In C you cannot have constants on LHS of equation. That's one thing. And destination is what? It is a array name, and array name gives the starting address or the base address. Hence we cannot write destination equal to source in C programming language. Then what we do? We take each individual character. And copy it over here. Now what we are copying at destination of 0? Yes, can anyone say what we are copying at destination of 0? At destination of 0 we are writing source of 0. At destination of 0 we are writing source of 0. Now what we do? We take source of 1 and copy at destination of 1. Now that means destination of 1 gets the value of source of 1. Next we take source of 2 and copy at destination of 2. That means we take source of 2 and copy at destination of 2. We take source of 3 and copy at destination of 3. We take source of 3 and copy at destination of 3. We take source of 4 and copy at destination of 4. We take source of 4 and copy at destination of 4. Then we take source of 5 and copy at destination of 5. We take source of 5 and copy at destination of 5. And we stop the procedure because we have reached the null character. In general, what we are doing it? At destination of I, we are copying source of I. At destination of I, we are copying source of I. And how long we copy? As long as we reach the null character. As long as we reach the null character. And what is input for this program? It is the source string, and we want to copy to the destination string. We will write one function called as string copy, and it will do. And we have one built-in function for this, which we will see after writing the function for string copy without using the built-in functions. Please pause the video over here and try to write down the program yourself. Thank you. Let us see how do we write the program for it. We have the source string and the destination string. The input for this program is the source, and we want to copy it to the destination string. Suppose this is the source string and we read it as ABC, and we want to copy the same thing to the destination string by writing our own program. Let's write one function called as string copy. This is a user defined function, not built-in function. Let's take the first parameter as a destination and the second parameter as source. Now what does it mean? It means that source will be copied to destination character by character. And let's take the return type of the function as void. Let's take the function name as string copy. What is the first parameter? Destination. And what is destination? Character one dimensional array. Therefore you can say character of, or you can say character star. The second parameter is source. Again it is character one dimensional array. Again it is character one dimensional array. Now let's implement this function. Copy and paste the prototype. We say void string copy. What is the first parameter? Character one dimensional array. Let me give the name as the same thing, destination. And what is the second parameter? It is again character one dimensional array, and let me give the same name as the source. Now what will happen whenever you call the function? The scope of the function gets activated. Now if I write over here, this is the scope of the function. Which function? String copy function. There are two parameters. The first parameter is a destination and the second parameter is the source. Now what will happen? Destination will be copied to destination, and we know that whenever arrays are passed to the function, the base address gets passed, not the complete array. And what is the base address here? It is 1000, and the source will be, destination is 2000, destination is 2000 and the value of source is 1000, and the value of source is 1000. Now what we have to do till we reach the null character of the source, I need to go on copying it, and it starts from index 0. Hence we say int I is equal 0. Right, now what do I write? While source of I is not equal to null character. Now what is source of I? Source of I is equal to star source plus I, and internally compiler converts to source plus I into D, where D is the size of array data type. Here it is character, therefore I can write it as 1. Is that okay? And what is destination of I? Destination of I is equal star destination plus I into D, and again the value of D is 1. Now what is the value of source in this function? The value of source in this function is 1000. And what is the value of destination in this function? The value of destination is 2000. Fair enough. Now the value of I is 0. It means star 1000 plus 0 into 1. And what is star 1000 plus 0 into 1? It is star 1000. And what does star 1000 says? It says go to address 1000 and fetch the value. What is the value at address 1000? Character A. ASCII value is 65, not null, true. Execute the body of loop. Now what I want to write here, I say destination of I is equal to source of I. I say destination of I is equal to source of I. Now what is destination of I? The value of I is 0. Therefore this is equal to star 2000 plus 0 into 1 is nothing but star 2000. Is nothing but star 2000. Now if I write over here, it says star 2000 is equal to star 1000. This is what it becomes. This is what it becomes, because source of I is star 1000, destination of I is star 2000. And what is star 1000? It is A. It says that go to address 2000 and store A. Go to address 2000 and store A. That is one thing. Or source at destination of 0, you are storing source of 0. Simple copy. Next time you want to copy B, therefore what we do, we increment the index. We say I plus plus, the value of I in this function will become 1. Now again calculate source of 1. Now what is source of 1? 1000 plus 1 into 1 is nothing but star 1001. And what is star 1001? B, it means 66. True. Now the RHS is 1001. You calculate LHS, it will be 2001. It says that go to address 2001 and store B. Now this is B. I'm sorry. Go to address 2001 and store B. Now that's the one thing. Or the other thing is take source of 1 and copy at destination of 1. Again you say I plus plus 2. Now what will happen when you say I plus plus 2? Now source of 2 will be taken and copied at destination of 2 like this. Now you say I plus plus 3. Now what is source of 3? Source of 3 is null character. Null means false because the ASCII value is 0. You come out of this loop. Now after I come out of this loop, you see that destination is an array of characters. It's not a string. Why it is not a string? A string is nothing but an array of characters but should terminate with null. Is destination terminating with null? No, I need to write null over here. At what index I need to write null? 3. And what is the value of I? 3. Hence we write destination of I is equal to null character. And we close the function. This is null character. And what is destination of I? This time it will be 2003. You work out is equal null character. The closing bracket of the function is taken as return. The scope dies. You come back to main and you see that in the main scope the destination is being populated. Therefore, what I need to do? I need to print the destination. We say printf %yes, comma the destination. Now what will be destination? It will be same as source because you have copied it, and we say return 0 and stop the program. This is the way we copy the one string to another without using the built-in function. Now we will see how to do with built-in functions. Thank you. Let us see how do we do with the built-in function. And what is the built-in function name? The built-in function name is strcpy. Str means string, cpy means copy. It copies one string to another. And what is the prototype? It is void string copy. We will copy in the destination string given the source string. That means the source is copied to destination. And you know one thing here, the source is constant because we don't want to change source, but we will change destination because we are copying it. The previous contents will be overwritten. Therefore, it is not const. The source is copied to destination. Suppose we say in main source, suppose source is ABC, this is destination. And how do we copy it using the built-in function? If they ask without using built-in function, you have to do the previous way. We say strcpy. What is the first parameter? We say destination. And what do we copy in destination? Source. Now that means source is copied to destination. And whenever you say strcpy, it is available in string.h. Hence we say hash include string.h. Now what will happen? Source will be copied to destination. This is A, this is B, C, and null character will be copied. And when you print destination, ABC will be printed. This is how we can use the built-in function, and the built-in function over here is strcpy available in string.h. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the channel with your friends. Thank you.